Hi everyone! Today we're celebrating our Arkansas PBS Writers Contest winners. With us today we have a first place winner in the 2nd grade, Ariel Morris, with a story she wrote and illustrated called In the Forest. Ariel is 8 years old and she enjoys swimming, especially in the Buffalo River. She also enjoys making food sculptures out of clay. When she grows up, she wishes to write and illustrate her own stories, and I think she's off to an excellent start. Now introducing the great Ariel Morris.
In the Forest, written and illustrated by Ariel Morris. 3 girls, Luna, Ariel, and Miranda, were walking home from school. Luna says, "Let's take a new route through the forest so I can pick flowers for my mom's birthday." Ariel says, "I don't want to go that way because we might get lost." Ariel says, "Well, that will be fun." Luna says, "Come on, guys, let's go." So they all agree and go. The girls enter the forest. As they walk, Ariel says, "There are a lot of trees." Luna says, "Told you it would be fun." Miranda says, "Let's make our necklaces." Luna points to a patch of yellow and green flowers. The girls start to pick them and make their necklaces. Luna made a flower mustache. The girls burst into laughter. Suddenly, the girls hear dogs barking nearby. Miranda screams and runs away. Ariel says, "Luna, this is your fault for taking us down this route. You know Miranda's scared of dogs." Luna slapped back. "You agreed to come this way too." Ariel says, "You're right. We all agreed, so we both need to work together to find Miranda." Luna realizes their argument is not helping and says, "Let's go find her." A dark cloud rolls over the sky, bringing a cold chill over the forest. Luna grabs her jacket from her backpack. Ariel takes a drink of water. They decide to start by going in the direction that Miranda ran, which was back to the road. They find her hiding underneath a bush. "Miranda, is that you?" says Luna. "I'm so glad you found me," said Miranda. The girls pulled Miranda out from under the bush. They were all relieved and began jumping up and down. Luna says, "Sorry, girls, we should have taken the normal route." Ariel says, "It's okay, Luna. We all agreed to come this way." They stop at a flower patch on their way out to pick flowers for Luna's mom's birthday. They made it to the road and stopped. Looking back, Ariel said, "Well, that was fun."